At the end of the day, do you use AI for creating deepfake videos, or do you use AI for accelerating, for example, your work, or even trying to find new treatments for cancer?
Exactly, absolutely. And I think one thing that frustrates me, like building products around AI and selling services that are AI enabled, it's really frustrating that the kind of compliance legislation around AI is very slow and seems to end up in different regional models. So for me, it would be so much more beneficial if there was some type of international agreement on these are the legislative, both faster development of what will be the ultimate legislation for AI, but also having it a less EU or versus US centric models, because I do think we as a product, for example, we struggle with that because it seems like whatever, because we obviously do business in Europe and in the States. So and this has been true even before AI, that we have a lot of compliance, like personal privacy issues, GDPR, stuff like that, completely different in the US. And the same will be true for AI. Like how much can you do, how much of the user's data can you use in order to serve them better advice or whatever. Yeah.
So, as an engineer myself, I find it very beneficial to use AI in terms of my work. So, it has accelerated my work by X5, which is something that terrifies me positively. And I think that in 10 years, that it will be superior of everything that we have used in our lifetimes. So, I believe that anyone who now adopts the AI tools and approaches AI as a way of accelerating his work, he will be ahead of the others by miles.
Yeah, it's way easier to keep up than to catch up. So if you're not actively investing already in your AI skills, you'll have guys that are 5 times more effective, like running past you, and by that point, it will be really difficult to catch up. So I think it's an imperative for any like aspirational person that are somewhere around things that will scale to start using AI.